So here is how to create this image slideshow in Canva. Make sure you watch the video to the end to get the full results. In a new project, add your images to the timeline. Increase the border width and change the color to white. Do the same for the rest of the images. Change the timing to 3 seconds and apply it to all pages. Add transitions, select slide, make the duration 1 second, apply it between all pages. Now see how it looks. Download it. Upload it back to Canva and delete all pages. Drag the downloaded video to the timeline. Go to Elements. Add a circle shape. Increase the size. Change the color to white and move it to the top. Duplicate the shape and place it at the bottom. Now see the final results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.